If my freedom to be is threatened with whosoever I want to be with, that is something that I would kill for.
Most important and the most critical is the issue of communal division between people. Our vote bank politics over the last 20-30 years, and even before that, has created a situation where everybody is looking out for themselves and their own. And I think this culture has got to end.
I waited long enough and watched my country suffer with terrorist attacks. But now I won't hesitate to raise my voice louder and higher. I can die fighting against terrorism.
Every Indian must take it upon themselves to empower, to skill, to pay for the education of less fortunate Indians, to skill them, make them able, make them competitive, make them able to compete in the job market. That to me would be the true revolution that would make our freedom fighters proud.
I think women are not treated properly. They are either given too many privileges or they are given no privileges. There is no equality.
Whenever I roam around, whether I'm wearing a suit, a sari or shorts, there are n number of guys who are staring, passing comments on me. So I think I'll be fighting for that.
And there should be a way to deal with the rape cases especially.
I want to fight for equal access and rights of each and every individual.
I'll fight for the eradication of the reservation policy.
Like the wealth distribution in India, like one half it's like totally extreme and another half is like totally extreme. It's like so bad in India, like more than 50% of the people are like very poor.
We all have other rights which has been granted by our constitution, but basically we don't realize there are other people, those who don't have these basic amenities. So I would like to fight for them and get these basic amenities such as security, water and electricity.
Be who I am, who I want to be with, and not worry about being, taken to the court or the police, badgering you, getting after your life just because you are with the person you want to be in public or wherever.
I think we should raise our voice against it. I mean, banning is not the solution every time. Bring up something constructive.
With all the bans that are being put in place, I just want that we should be able to express ourselves freely without feeling threatened or without feeling that we are offending anyone. So for that, I'd really be able to fight it out.